khublei shibun result ke lembaga Mpsc Meghalaya Public Service Commission tekidon kumba santli result giba Pynmih ha khanyu tarik September arajar apsau tengin yapet kawai ke result ke Pynmih kepada Jong ki screening test. Kabaningkong, the result of the screening test to the post of food safety officer under the Commissionerate of Food Safety October 2023 kemudian ke post kalaju arja apply bagi advertisement held on 8 June 2024 is hereby declared. The following roll number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Tesakan mau kita balik to exam nam takane food safety officer. Ki roll number belong successful kilong 224 1532 2720 2932 3075 3236 4015 4344 4348 5715. The personal interview nam takane kan day arsan Oktober arjar sau SHIPAI sitang step hapo office of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. Tiki candidate kiba qualify kin sadalun hi ya kata intimation letter napo ka commission website. Kaba ar kaneka result of the screening test to the post of social science instructor in the office of the principal Regional Health and Family Welfare Training Center on the Directorate of Health Service October 2023 held on 28 May 2024 is hereby declared. The following roll number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Idan pra arnyo lep and san. The personal interview will be held on the 5 November 2024. Shpostang hapo Mpsc office building. Candidate kiba qualifies since download pada ya ka intimation letter napo ka commission website. Kabalai, the result of the screening test to the post of the communication officer in the office of the Principal Regional Health, Family and Welfare Training Center under the Director of Health Service, MCH&FM, October 2023, held on 22nd May 2024, is hereby declared. The following candidates are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Nyok Naish Po Kasau Katsan, personal interview kan long santrik November arjar pesau. The result of the written examination to the post of law officer on the law department March 2024 held on 5-6 July 2024 is hereby declared. Kaneka kolaiba March arjar apsau to exam pada July arjar apsau. The candidate being the following roll number are declared to have qualified. Prapoi Prapsan Spat Rupsan Aspa Away are like Handai Sausan Asan Riu. Lai nhiều khandai lai prapra lai khandai nhiều sau với lai sau sau riu sau pra khandai. The personal interview will be held on the 6th November arjar sau Shpostang hapo Mpsc building. Kelas kane pada kadai jonga the result of the screening test to the post of child development project officer on the social welfare department March 2024 held on 25 May 2024 kane kolaiba is hereby declared. Kini kira number kila qualified untuk personal interview. Laipo arkneknai sau lain not sau san riu sau kananyo sau an arsan san prakandai ruspo dru prasau dru kandai sau nyo dru kandai nyo prapra nai we kandai dai lain riu way not sau ar way not sau riu way not dru pra. Personal interview can belong ke ar but apply October aljar sau Shpostang step for office of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. The paro candidate ke ba qualify can start download hi pada ya kata ke intimation letter na po ka commission website. Tangin hi kijing betip khublei shibun.